What is the Typeof null bug in JavaScript? Imagine you are trying to check if a variable is empty or has no value, but the way JavaScript tells you about it seems a little off. That's what the Typeof null bug is all about. In JavaScript, the typeof operator is used to find out what kind of data a variable holds. It should tell you if something is a number, a string, or a Boolean, for example. But when you use it on null, it says object. This is strange because null is a primitive data type that means no value or nothing here. It is not an object, so why does Typeof say it is? This odd behavior comes from the very first version of JavaScript. Back then, null was represented as a special kind of object for technical reasons. To keep old code working, this bug was never fixed. So even today, Typeof null returns object, which can confuse beginners and sometimes cause bugs in code. When you check Typeof undefined, it correctly says undefined, which is what you expect. But with null, it's different. To find out if a variable is null, you should not relying on Typeof. Instead, use strict equality, like value is equal to null. This way, you are checking if the value is exactly null, not just what Typeof reports. Understanding this bug is important because null is often used to show that an object is missing or not set. If you're relying only on Typeof, you might think null is an object, which can lead to mistakes. For example, if you want to check if a variable is null before using it, using Typeof will not work correctly. Instead, use strict equality checks. Remember, null is a primitive data type that indicates nothing here, but Typeof reports it as an object because of a historical bug. This quirk is part of JavaScript's history and is something every web developer should know. It helps you write better, bug-free code and understand how JavaScript handles data types. So, next time you see Typeof null, know that it's a legacy issue, and the best way to check for null is with strict equality. That way, your code stays clear and correct.